Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do macaroni and cheese recipe. The reason I like to do it this time of the year is because a lot of people that have children like to have macaroni and cheese for their Thanksgiving dinner, and I know we do that a lot. First we're going to double our recipe, and you can find the recipe on YouTube. We're going to do the elbow macaroni, and there is 4 cups in here. We have our water boiling, and we just pour this in there, and I put a little bit of salt in it. So we'll let that cook for about 10 minutes. Now that our elbow macaroni has cooked and I've drained it, we're going to put it back in this pot. We're going to spray our casserole with some ham. Mix all of this ingredients. We'll make cheddar cheese soup. There's 2 cans. What I'm going to do is put a lot of this other stuff in before I put the eggs, because we don't want those eggs to be hot enough to be cooking, and this will cool it off some. We got 1 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of butter, we're adding 3 cups of milk, a teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There's 5 cups of cheese here, and I'm going to just guess at it, and I'm going to add about 3 cups of it, and we're going to use the rest of it to sprinkle on top. So the cheese needs to be melting in that hot macaroni. And that'll be good for the eggs too, because I don't want it too hot when I put these eggs in it. We have 6 eggs we're fixing to put in there. Beat them up a little bit. Oh, we're just going to mix all this stuff up together. We have to bake this in a 350-degree oven, and it cooks for about 40 minutes. I'm going to have to buy me a new cup one of these days. I love this thing. I use it a lot when my butter's not quite melted. I need to get that butter melted before I do this, so it'll be distributed all. It won't take it but a minute to melt because this macaroni's hot. Okay, I believe that's it. I don't like dry macaroni and cheese. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle this cheese over the top. This is cheddar cheese too, sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild if you want to. Now we're going to sprinkle some crispy onion rings on the top. Just kind of sprinkle them all on top. About 3 handfuls, whatever that is. I think that's plenty right there. Okay, now we're ready to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Now our macaroni and cheese is finished, and it's a beautiful dish, and I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.